हाँ तो दोस्तों, आप कैसे हो? तो भाई मैं इस तरीके से बोल रहा हूँ तो आपको समझ जाना चाहिए कि मैं आज फिर से देखने वाला हूँ स्केरी वीडियोस। तो भाई मैं आज फिर से देखने वाला हूँ स्केरी वीडियोस, तो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो।
This footage back to 2025 and was captured by a security camera inside a home. Late at night, around 2
ये बंदा कह रहा है कि भाई 2:54 AM पे, मतलब रात के 3 बजे, सुबह 3 बजे, मतलब जैसे अभी मैं 3 बजे ये वीडियो शूट कर रहा हूँ ना, तो वैसे ही रात के 3 बजे एक हाउस में सिक्योरिटी कैमरा, मतलब एक लड़की पढ़ रही होती है तो सिक्योरिटी कैमरा जो लगे ना होते हैं दीवार पे, वहाँ पे जैसे वहाँ कोने में लगा होता है, तो उससे ये रिकॉर्ड हुआ है। ठीक है, ये कोई वो एडिटेड नहीं है, अब वो नहीं है। ठीक है,
50 a.m. while a woman was sitting in her living room reading a book. Something terrifying and completely unexpected happened. As she was deeply focused on her reading, she suddenly felt something move beside her. She jumped up in fear. Moments later, a bottle fell to the floor on its own. Later, the woman uploaded a video explaining what had frightened her so badly that
तो भाई इसमें क्या हुआ कि वो लड़की पढ़ रही थी ना बैठ के, तो जब वो पढ़ रही थी उसके हाथ ऐसे किसी ने हलाया यूं करके, तो समझ रहे हो, फिर वो एकदम डर जाती है, तो वो उठ के फिर अंदर चली जाती है।
she ran out of the house.
Our house is actually covered with 3 CCTV cameras for our own protection. And a lot of you are asking if I was reading a Bible that time. No, I was actually reading this. I'm a fan of anything that is ancient. A lot of you are also asking.
Which was captured by a sea inside her. She believes that what happened was not normal, that her home had become haunted, especially since the security cameras had captured several strange and disturbing events inside her house. Events she could never explain. The following terrifying footage was captured by a CCTV camera inside a small factory in the United States that specializes in making scary dolls and masks. One night, a young woman worked late. As she was getting ready to leave, something truly disturbing happened. She walked over to grab something from the table, when suddenly, the doll's head moved. She stopped to investigate, but then
भाई वो लड़की ना, वो कुछ सामान लेके जा रही होती है, और जो पुतला खड़ा होता है उसके बगल से, जैसे वो बगल से निकलती है ना, तो उसका सर घूम जाता है, ऐसे करके हो जाता है। फिर जब वो देखती है कि वास्तव में इसका सर घूमा है या मुझे कुछ लगा, तो वो और जोर से घूम जाता है, मतलब वो थोड़ा ऐसे घूमता है। फिर जब उसे लगता है ना कि जब वो देखती है मुड़ के, तो वो और ऐसे घूम जाता है, वो डर जाती है, फिर भाग जाती है।
without warning, the doll's head snapped around violently. The girl jumped back in terror and ran away. This footage back to 2025 and was captured by a CCTV in a garage somewhere in Mexico. On that day, a family heard a strange noise coming from the garage and immediately went to check the camera footage. But what they saw was truly bizarre.
Vino.
Vino de entonces de por Doña Vicky, ¿eh?
Sí, de aquí vino, de aquí abajo.
¿No está?
Ahí va.
Ahí está. Ay, mira mi madre. Mírala. Ay.
Suddenly, a small creature appeared, flying around the garage. At first, they thought it was just an ordinary bird, but as it approached the camera, they realized something was terribly wrong. Its shape was not
हाँ, ये तो कोई क्रिएचर है, मतलब क्रिएचर है जो उड़ सकता है और उसके पैर भी हैं। तो इस तरीके का क्रिएचर कुछ उनको अपने घर में दिखता है। तो ये तो भाई कुछ भी हो सकता है भाई, कोई भी क्रिएचर कहीं से उड़ के कहीं भी आ सकता है, कहीं भी जा सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है भाई।
a bird at all. It looked almost human.
Ay, mira mi madre. Mira.
In the Americas, and especially in Mexico, many people believe the existence of a mysterious creature called a fairy, and they believe it is real and not just a myth. What do you think? A myth. What do you think? A girl named Lana posted a terrifying video that quickly went viral, reaching over 23 million views in a short time. Late one night, while Lana was sitting in her room scrolling through her phone, her security camera captured something deeply disturbing.
वो भाई लेटी हुई थी तो किसी ने उसके ना सर पे हाथ फेर दिया, टक टक टक, जैसे वो रजनीकांत में, वो नहीं, मैं कह रहा रजनीकांत उसमें शिवाजी द बॉस में जो करेगा पता है, शिवाजी द बॉस, कोई इस लड़की पिछाए बोला शिवाजी द बॉस।
Out of nowhere, a strange hand appeared and touched Lana on her head. She jumped up and searched the room, but found nothing. Lana swears she was completely alone that night, and that what happened was real, not staged. She even posted another video explaining exactly what happened.
Observe o momento que vai aparecer um negócio aqui. E quem tá dizendo que é uma porta que tem aqui, eu vou mostrar agora pra vocês que não tem porta nenhuma. Pronto, tá aqui, ó, a poltrona onde eu estava, o carregador, a câmera ali. Aqui não tem porta, tá? Aí aqui, quando deitar, a pessoa vai mexer aqui, ó, na minha cabeça. Vai aparecer aqui, gente, ó. Perceberam que aqui, ó, é o carregador. Onde eu mostrei não tem porta aqui, ó. Olha agora, ó. Olha. E sabe o que acontece? Eu puxo ainda. Eu vou puxar. Olha, eu acendi a luz. Ó.
According to Lana, she has no idea what that thing could have been. But she now believes her house might be haunted. In the end, the final judgment is yours. What do you think? A man named Loki says that whenever he comes home from work, he finds things moved out of place, objects on the floor. At first, he thought his cat was responsible, but when it happened several times, he decided to install a security camera to investigate. What the camera recorded that night left Loki absolutely terrified. The lamp began flickering on its own. Then the doll started moving by itself. And if you look closely, you can see the cat staring into the...
इसमें क्या होता है भाई, वो डॉल है जो मूव करने लगती है और वो लाइट जलने लगती है पीछे, फिर लाइट बुझती है तो डॉल के हाथ में कुछ होता है, वो गिर जाता है नीचे। इसमें ऐसा
corner of the room, as if it was seeing something. Now, after watching the footage, Loki realized his cat was never the cause, like he had believed. The following video, posted on Reddit, it was taken from a truck's dashboard camera after a terrifying accident. One night, a man was driving his truck with a friend on an Alabama highway. Everything was normal until something extremely horrifying happened. Let's watch the footage. Suddenly, a little girl wearing a white dress appeared in the middle of the road. The driver tried to avoid her, but couldn't. He immediately called the police and an ambulance, believing he had hit the girl. When officers arrived, they searched the entire area, but found no one. The officers were horrified when they saw the video. Locals say this highway in Alabama is cursed, haunted, because many mysterious accidents occurring there for unknown reasons. Many believe the girl was not human at all. What do you think? What do you think?
तो भाई वो लोग ट्रक चला रहे होते हैं और ट्रक चलाते समय उनके सामने ना पहले तो उनको दिखता ही नहीं है। जो कंडक्टर वाला बंदा है ना वो दिखता है, वो देख लेता है, लेकिन वो चिल्लाता है तब तक गाड़ी उसमें ठुक जाती है। समझ लो, गाड़ी से ठुक जाती है और आवाज़ भी आती है बाकायदा, मतलब उसके गिरने की। पता नहीं इंसान था या कोई था, लेकिन कोई तो था।
Around 10 p.m., while a family was sitting on their home's balcony, they suddenly noticed someone walking past their house. They say it wasn't a normal person at all, and they were so terrified that they immediately went back to check the security camera footage, just to be sure. The person was wearing old-fashioned clothes from the 1920s, but what was even stranger, the figure looked transparent, so transparent that cars could see through them. The family
हाँ भाई, कुछ तो है इसमें। ये बंदा बहुत पुराने कपड़े पहने हुए हैं, जैसे अंग्रेज पहनते थे उस टाइम के, और चल के यार वो ज़्यादा ट्रांसपेरेंट दिख रहा है, मतलब आर पार दिख रहा है इसमें, समझ लो।
says they felt scared and had a strange feeling when this figure passed by them. Now they believe this thing wasn't human at all. What do you think? The following terrifying footage was captured by a CCTV camera inside a clothing and sports shoe store. Store employees say strange things have been happening inside for several months, but recently, these incidents have become more intense and far more terrifying. The door slammed shut. The young man went to investigate but found nothing. But that wasn't the end. But just a week later, something far more terrifying happened.
Yeah, I'm going, bro. They're 03 cup. Sorry, I take it on myself.
Suddenly, a shoe was thrown down on its own. When the man bent down to pick it up, the shoe flipped over by itself. The two workers panicked and ran out of the store immediately. So, what do you think? Is this store really haunted? Or do you have another explanation for what happened? This creepy and mysterious video was posted on Reddit. According to the woman who shared it, she had just returned home from work when she noticed her dog acting strangely. Nothing like his usual behavior. He looked terrified. Later, when she reviewed the footage from her security camera, she discovered something terrifying. On the right side of the screen, a transparent white creature appeared, floating towards the dog. You can clearly see the dog's reaction. It moved away from the creature. Then, a second entity shows up, this time right beside the dog, almost as if it was following him. The woman now believes her home may be haunted, and she's seriously considering moving out before things get worse. What do you think? This video has recently gone viral on social media. It was filmed by CCTV camera in China, and it's said that this girl came face to face with a real ghost.
तो भाई तुम्हें कौन सा पार्ट सबसे ज़्यादा स्केरी लगा कमेंट करके बता देना, और वीडियो कहीं बैन करते हैं। भाई मिलते हैं किसी नई वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, डोंट फॉरगेट टू वॉच दिस चैनल एंड सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल।